Itasi.
The awesome, adventurous letter A. Brilliant, bouncy letter B. Let's say it together. B, B, B. Today's tale begins with the cuddly, clever letter C. Let's say it together. C, C, C. Dazzling, delightful letter D. Let's say it together. D, D, D. The exciting, enchanting letter E. Let's say it together. E, E. The fabulous, festive letter F. Let's say it together. F, F, F. Gentle, giggly letter G. Let's say it together. G, G. With the helpful, happy letter H. Let's say it together. H, H, H. Interesting, icy letter I. Let's say it together. I, I. The jolly, jazzy letter J. Let's say it together. J, J, J. Kind, kooky letter K. Let's say it together. K, K, K. Lovable, lively letter L. Let's say it together. L, L. The magnificent, musical letter M. The nice, noble letter N. Let's say it together. N, N, N. Outstanding, original letter O. Let's say it together. O, O. Peppy, playful letter P. Let's say it together. P, P, P. Quiet, courtly letter Q. Let's say it together. Q, Q. The radiant, roaring letter R. Let's say it together. R, R, R. With the spectacular, sparkling letter S. Let's say it together. S, S, S. With the terrific, twisty letter T. Let's say it together. T, T, T. The unique, uplifting letter U. Let's say it together. U, U, U. Very vibrant letter V. Let's say it together. V, V, V. Wonderful, whistling letter W. Let's say it together. W, W, W. The extraordinary, exciting letter X. Let's say it together. X, X, X. Yippee, yellow letter Y. Let's say it together. Y, Y, Y. The zippy, zany letter Z. Let's say it together. Z, Z, Z.